Hi guys, today I actually want to thank Erica for actually sharing how we can actually replace my AirPods when I had a sizzling sound coming out from my AirPods. I actually bought this before the October 2020, and recently, like I think 2 to 3 months ago, there was a lot of sizzling sound coming out, and no matter how I tried to turn it off or do any of the hacks that I saw in YouTube, right, it was not helping, and I actually decided to stop using it, and I was even considering to buy a new AirPods. After I saw Erica's video, we actually pull out our receipts and actually even make an appointment with Apple, and we actually bring our AirPods there. They actually help us to check the conditions of our AirPod, and it actually qualifies for the replacement of AirPods. And they actually replace a new AirPods for the left side and the right side, and we actually just keep the casing. Thank you, Erica. And if anyone needs to see this and you need your AirPods to be replaced and you actually bought it before the October of 2020 and it is still within the 3 years, you can actually get a free AirPods replaced. Thank you.